After your fiance visa is issued, it's very, very important that you make sure you enter the United States well before the expiration date. I'm attorney Megan Pastrana of Immigration for Couples, and I invite you to subscribe to this channel. I'm releasing an entire series of the mistakes that you should avoid in your immigration journey, so you won't want to miss out. Let's talk about the fiance visa and the need to enter on time. So I've had individuals for many different reasons. Either they didn't realize there was an expiration date, or they had their travel too close to the expiration date and had travel issues and weren't able to enter, or other extenuating circumstances. Either way, I've had individuals who've come to me after the fiance visa has expired saying, oh my gosh, what do we do now? They were not able to get into the country. So after your fiance visa interview, immigration is going to put a visa in your passport, and that visa is going to have an expiration date. Typically, the expiration date is about 6 months after you've completed your medical exam. And it's really important to take note of that expiration date and ensure you're entering the United States well before that time. If you don't, in some cases, there's an option to request revalidation, but understand that U.S. embassies and consulates are not required to give you another visa. They can say, sorry, you had plenty of time to enter. We're not going to give you a new visa. So what then? Unfortunately, the only other option at that point would be to start the process from the beginning, which is really heartbreaking because I've had individuals who've had to do that, where they're having to start the process from the beginning. And other happy situations, we were able to get the embassy to revalidate the visa, but it's definitely a situation that you want to avoid. Otherwise, you will be having to start from the beginning and having to go through that wait again and the entire process again. And also, you'll have to be answering questions about why you didn't enter the United States on time, and they'll want to know if there was any relationship issues that resulted in you not entering on time. So again, please be sure to pay attention to that expiration date and enter the United States well before that date. And I invite you to my free resource center. I'll put a link in the comments. The free resource center has a very robust overview of the fiancé visa process and free downloadable guides for you to check out. Best of luck on your immigration journey.